As you guys can tell right here, we are back with another 2-liter soda chug. We have here a 2-liter bottle of Fresca flavored sparkling original citrus, whatever you want to call it, soda. This is another subscriber requested video. Lately I've been doing a lot of subscriber requested videos, so if you guys want me to choose your idea, make sure you go down below and comment what you want to see in the next video or any other future videos you guys want to see. I've never had Fresca soda pop before. Only thing I know about this soda is that it's pretty carbonated, so it's going to be a lot of burp in today's video. I'm assuming the flavor is like some type of lemony, orangey flavored tasting soda pop. I have no idea. I don't know if those are words, but if they aren't words, I just made them words. Before I chug this entire 2-liter bottle of Fresca soda, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button, just for the sake of my living. After doing like, I don't know how many chugs I've done on this channel. Honestly stoked to try this. Oh. But let's go. So carbonated. So carbonated. That was a challenge. 2-liter bottle Fresca soda pop. Again, if you guys have any ideas or anything else, make sure you guys go down below in the comments. Comment down below what you want to see. Yeah, that was it. Fresca soda pop chug. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed, and also share. Subscribe if you need to stay lit. Always stay lit. See you guys on the next one. We're out.